Hi everyone and welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you Sri Lankan style pineapple with cucumber salad. This is totally healthy, super easy, delicious, fresh salad. Alright, we need English cucumber, red pepper, red onion, pineapple, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, piccolo tomato, some olives. Alright, let's get started with salad dressing. Two tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, some salt, and black pepper. Mix this together and just leave it aside. In a large mixing bowl, I am adding some cucumber, everything cut into bite size, then a red pepper, finely slices red onion, pineapple, lettuce, cherry tomato cut into half, and piccolo tomato I didn't cut because too small, and some olives. Then we'll just pour dressing right over the salad. Gently toss that together. It's already done. Crunchy, fresh, and delicious. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.